If you want to get well fast using natural remedies, I want to help make that happen for you. I'm Glenda Hill. I am a natural health strategist. But in my nurse training, I was taught all the conventional health practices. What I want you to learn is the natural way to get well fast without medications and to learn to use the natural remedies in order to avoid the side effects of medications. I hate sickness, I hate pain, and I want to get well fast without drugs. So if you're with me on this, we're going to learn today about one of the natural remedies that's going to help you to give the body what it needs to heal itself. All right, let's get started. Hello, everyone. Today we're talking about fresh air. I think everyone realizes that we need fresh air to breathe. But what I want to share is something that most people don't know, and that is that there are studies for astronauts, and they have shown us that in an enclosed space, like indoors, the human being emits vapors and gases and odors. And if we stay indoors and we're breathing our own vapors and gases and odors, it's really not going to be conducive to our health, and especially not to recover from illness, not to recover from injuries fast. So what we want to do is get outdoors, because outdoor air is a different kind of air. It's not recycled air like the air conditioning does for you, but it's air that we need for our bodies to heal itself. And it's ionized air. Air that is ionized is produced from the trees in the forest, the cosmic rays, the sunshine, the ocean. After a rain, oh, that's wonderful ionized air, especially after it rains. If you're by a waterfall or a fast moving stream, these are the areas you want to be getting your fresh air, your deep breathing. So when you're thinking in your mind, okay, am I getting some fresh air? This is what you need to think about. Ionized air. Air that is going to be full of the wonderful elements that the body needs to get well fast. So if you're trying to repair, or maybe you're trying to recover from an injury, you're trying to speed up recovery from infection or pneumonia, you may think, well, I'm too sick to go outside. But really, when you go outside to breathe the fresh air, you're getting so many different wonderful elements that's going to help the body to actually fight off infection. You'll get the rays of the sun in combination with this ionized air, and it's really very powerful to cleanse the blood, purify the blood of all toxins. It will fight infection, and it will help the body to get that circulation. So make sure you're doing the deep breathing. And if you're all stuffed up, I realize that you just can't really make the connection of, wow, how can I get this fresh air into my body? If you can't breathe through your nose, breathe through your mouth. You want to make sure that you are getting this fresh air, and open your windows if you can. If you're in a situation where you can open your windows and you may need to help to blow the outdoor air inside, I do that sometimes. I open my kitchen window, I put a fan in there in the window, and I turn the fan to where it's blowing the outdoor air into my kitchen. And I do that very early in the morning. It still has dew on the grass, and it's just fantastic. And it really helps me to have the indoor air that's going to be ionized because I'm bringing in the outdoor air inside. So I hope these tips have helped you to realize that you cannot just sit and stew in your own vapors and gases and odors. It's really going to compromise your immune system. It's going to slow down your healing, and you're really not going to have a clear head. And it's really going to actually, when you go out and get fresh air, it's going to help the medications, the natural remedies that you're taking, the herbal remedies, all those things is going to make that work even better for you. These are tips that you need to actually put in your day. Get out there, get the fresh air, sunshine. Make sure you're in a park. Make sure you're maybe near some water, by the ocean, and you're breathing as deeply as you can to get that ionized air. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions for me, just leave a comment and I will be happy to read that and to give you a response. All right, peace to you and have a great day.